How do I transfer money from Apple Pay to PayPal?
Hello and welcome to this instructional video. Today, we'll be showing you how to transfer money from Apple Pay to PayPal, a process which many find confusing. But don't worry, we've broken it down into simple, manageable steps for you to follow.
Do I have funds in my Apple Pay?
Before we begin, make sure you have funds in your Apple Pay. You can check this by going to the Wallet app on your iPhone, selecting Apple Pay Cash, and looking at the card info.
Transferring funds to your bank account.
Unfortunately, there's no direct method to transfer money from Apple Pay to PayPal as of my last training data in September 2021. Therefore, the first step involves moving funds from your Apple Pay to your linked bank account. 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. 2. Tap on the Apple Pay Cash card, then tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. 3. Tap on Transfer to Bank. 4. Enter the amount you want to transfer and tap Next. 5. Tap 1 to 3 business days. If you haven't set up Instant Transfer, then you'll need to use Standard Transfer. 6. Confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. 7. Wait for the money to transfer. This might take 1 to 3 business days.
Adding funds to PayPal from your bank account.
Now that the money is in your bank account, you can transfer it to your PayPal account. 1. Log in to your PayPal account. 2. Click on Transfer Money. 3. Then click on Add Money to your balance. 4. Select your bank and enter the amount of money you want to transfer, then click Add. 5. It usually takes 3 to 5 business days for the transfer to go through. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from your Apple Pay to your PayPal account. While it might seem a little roundabout, it's currently the most straightforward way to move your money between these two services. Thank you for watching, and remember to reach out with any questions you may have. We're always here to help.